Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at trading versus gambling. I believe there's a misconception that it's the same thing. So today we'll clarify the differences and help the viewer understand which one are they. So we'll have a look now. So again, the purpose of this presentation is to separate gamblers from traders. Furthermore, to understand which behaviors are better suited for either the exchange markets or casino and betting markets. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm simply here to tell you which behavior is better suited for either the trading game or the gambling game. The first one might seem obvious, okay? But it's not. And I'll explain why. So trading is relying on informed decisions. Gambling is relying on luck. You're probably saying, duh, obviously. But I guarantee that most traders, even me, every week, at least once, we take a trading decision based on hope or luck. I am speaking about this to help you be more aware when you do. I minimize it. The difference between a good trader and a bad trader is they do it way less often than others. Okay? I hope we can agree that when you go to the casino, you are relying on luck. I understand maybe poker is a bit different, okay? Poker is a bit different. I understand, yeah, you can make a living off of that in the long run. Because professional poker players, they make superior decisions. Look it up. They believe in probabilities, okay? They make non-emotional decisions. That's next level. If you look down here, actually, many successful traders were previously professional gamblers, but really professional poker players, okay? So I understand the similarity. However, poker is different. But when you go to the casino, you are relying on luck, okay? So it's the same thing in trading as taking a trade based on hope. This sounds obvious, but why do we all do it? Guys, when you look at a setup, you sometimes, if not in most times, before you even realize it, you're making the chart fit your setup. So you see something, you convince yourself that's enough information to tell you which way it's going, like if it's going to work, if it's a good trade or not. But really, it's hope. You hope that that one piece of information is going to to make you make the right decision. Or if you are in a trade, how many times do you stay in a trade even though it's a bad idea? You stay in the trade because you think maybe it's going to work out. I had that thought last week, or the week before. A trade took too long. I knew I had to exit. I was like, and then I thought, okay, maybe it's going to work out, stay. But I exited, guys, at break even. It ended up being a loss. Even if the trade was a win or a loss, my job was to make a non-emotional trading decision that did not rely on hope. So if the trade was a win or loss, I won because I made an informed decision. I didn't rely on luck. It's important, okay? If the trade makes money or loses money, if I followed the rules, I didn't rely on luck, I won, okay? So do your best to minimize relying on luck, to be more of a trader than a gambler, okay? It might sound obvious, but it's not, and this is going to help you with the awareness to know next time if a decision you're making is going to be luck or informed, and if you're trying to manipulate the chart to fit your setup, but the setup should fit your chart, okay? Up here on the left, we can have a look. A trader has an edge. A gambler does not have an edge over the market. The market can be the game that you play. Okay? If you have an edge, this is trading, and the odds are in your favor. If you don't have an edge, this is gambling, and the odds are against you. Gambling guarantees that the market has a built-in statistical advantage that ensures over time they win. Even if you make a big, big, big winning trade, you're going to believe you can do it again one time. One time you're going to use that argument subconsciously to convince yourself to take another trade similar, maybe bigger size, because you might think that it's going to happen again, or that for any reason that you might think. But no matter how much you win, if you're doing it without an edge, the market will make it back and more, and it will take your dignity on the way. So if you do have an edge, the odds are in your favor. If you don't have an edge, the odds are not in your favor. Having an edge, okay? A lot of people don't have an edge. They think they do, they don't. They follow other traders' trades. They make information fit their their beliefs or their hope. But I'm telling you the difference in a trader, okay? Because as a gambler, you do not have an edge. You can go to the casino, you might make winnings, but if you go regularly, the market will make it back, okay? Facts. Traders look at trading as an investment. Gamblers look at trading as entertainment. Traders believe that trading is making money over time. Gamblers believe that trading is making money right now, enjoying the process, and having fun. Trading is ignoring the rush. Gambling is enjoying the rush. Guys, obviously I love trading, right? Obviously I love trading. Trade or die gang, okay? No cap. Guys, I have to ignore the rush. I cannot enjoy trading though. I'm not supposed to, okay? It's a trick. That rush is a trick. That rush is an excuse, is a way for the market to control subconsciously your decision making, okay? Because the rush is emotional. Guys, okay, you guys are telling me how can you not enjoy trading? Guys, if you have a trade open and you go to bed, or if you don't have a trade and you go to bed, which sleep is better? You sleep better if you have an open trade, or you sleep better if you don't have an open trade? Let's be honest here, guys. I sleep better when I don't have an open trade. I have a better day when I'm not in a trade. Do you understand this mentality of a trader? We love trading, but guys, we cannot enjoy trading. We cannot express our emotions or our joy on the charts. That's why, okay? And so now you understand, maybe if you saw my previous video when I said I trading makes me tired and how I don't want to be in the market too long, this is kind of why, because when I'm in the market, I am kind of stressed, right? You're always thinking about that trade. If you have a better sleep with a trade open than not trade open, you're an expert. You should come here and please drop a comment and explain to us how you can have a peaceful sleep if you have an open trade. I'm just telling you here that even the best traders, they do have emotions. Again, we're good at ignoring them. So, guys, if you enjoy being in the trade, that's a trick. That's a way that the market can control you. We are not supposed to enjoy trading. I tried to explain it to you in one way. Guys, again, I am explaining very complicated things. I'm trying to explain it in a very simple way and in a very fast way. This information usually takes hours, and a lot of thought processing to digest and understand this information. I'm doing my best to explain it in a simple way that you would understand. So, if you enjoy trading, guys, it's gambling. If you enjoy trading, it's gambling. I have another tip about this, a big tip. I'm saving it for another video to make it more relevant. I hope this is clear. Okay, we look at trading as an investment, because if we lose, for us that's totally fine. We understand that it's about making money over time. We are not affected emotionally by the trade. We're not happy If we win, we're not sad if we lose. So I'm telling you, if you enjoy being in a trade, I am explaining to you why you shouldn't, okay? Because the market can control you. And anyway, if you are like me, you will have a better sleep if you're not in a trade. Then that's good. Then that's good. That means that you're not trying to enjoy trading, which is good. I understand again, it might be a little confusing, but I hope I kind of clarified some information here. Again, it's even for me, it's difficult to articulate this information in a simple way. Okay. Traders make objective decisions. Gamblers make emotional decisions. Why do traders make objective decisions? We trust in our trading plan. So no matter what, if we follow our trading plan, it doesn't matter what happens in the market. It doesn't affect us. So we are able to make non-emotional decisions. We make objective decisions because of our risk management is good. Again, I have a good tip about this, but I'm going to save it for another video. And we have a different perspective on wins and losses. As I explained in the video about shifting your mindset for success, and also earlier when I mentioned that if I lose a trade, but I followed my plan, it's good. For me, that's winning. That's my perspective of winning. Another person, a gambler, if they lose, but the loss was part of their plan, they think they lost anyway, even if it was part of the plan. But me, I'm happy if I lose part of the plan. That's hard enough to do. It's hard enough to follow your plan, okay? Right? So we have a different perspective of wins and losses that helps us make objective decisions. If I know my plan, a win is to follow my plan, I will do what my plan says, not what the market or the chart says. Okay? Your master is the chart, my master is the plan. The purpose of objectivity is to make rational decisions based on clear and unambiguous information, and to limit the interference of our emotions in our decision making, and to not rely on hope, luck, or what ifs. Unambiguous information, so we don't let the market try to make us distort or manipulate the information that we see. So we make sure that our plan, our rules are simple and straightforward, and I can't try to oh, but wait, no, maybe, yeah, that looks like that way, or maybe no, yeah, maybe that fits the plan, maybe, yeah. If you look at it that way, that's ambiguous decision making. It's open to different interpretations. So we want to be objective, so we are unambiguous, and our decision making are not emotional, and we do not rely on hope, luck, or what ifs. My battery's gonna die. Okay. Gamblers make emotional decisions. Reasons. The gambler's fallacy. If you make a trading decision based on your previous trade, that is gambling, and that is the gambler's fallacy. It's making a decision based on the outcome or based on previous information, based on your previous. If you had 20 wins in a row, and you believe that 21st trade is going to be a win, that's gambling, that's a gambler, that's gambler's fallacy. You believe because you won 20 trades, you're going to win the next one. I understand that 20 is an exaggerated example, but it's just to make a point. That you are gambling if you're making a decision based on your previous trade. A trader knows that every trade is independent of the previous trade. There's no relation. If you're at the casino and you're on a roll, you think it's skill, but it's luck, guys. No, let's be honest. I enjoy the casino. I know poker, but just being honest here, that if you make a decision based on, yeah, you we're on a good roll, that doesn't mean you're going to win the next one. So if you have this mentality, that is gambling. That's how you make emotional decisions, by the way, because you were affected by the last trade. Maybe you were angry because you lost, or maybe you were happy because you won. That's how you are affected by. That's how the past trade affects. Hi everyone. Sorry about that. My battery died. I don't like to cut my videos. I like to keep it raw. So sorry again about that. Okay. So gamblers make emotional decisions because of the potential of a trade. Okay? You might be very happy that, oh my God, I might win so much money on this trade. So because of that, your decisions are going to be emotional, okay? If you are worried about the outcome, you are going to change your risk, you are going to change your decision making, and you're going to trade based on the money and not based on the plan or based on the chart, okay? But the money side can affect your decision making. Like, it doesn't matter if I'm in a big drawdown, for me, as long as it's part of the plan. It doesn't affect my decision making whatsoever. And also, gamblers make emotional decisions because of pressure or external factors. I understand we are worried about the time, we want to make it fast, or we have a lot of pressure, we need the money. But these things will make us make emotional decisions because it will make you think maybe you need to risk higher, maybe you're not doing enough, even though you are doing enough. That is very important, okay, guys? Sometimes don't think you're not doing enough, okay? Remember again, trading is not about working hard, okay? Trading does not reward the hard worker. Trading rewards the disciplined and the patient. So do not let external factors or time and things like this affect how you trade, okay? I hope you understood what I mean. And gamblers make emotional decisions because of a lack of trust in their trading plan. If you lose, you will blame the trading plan. It'll make you angry. You might say you're a bad trader. You don't know what you're doing. And then if you keep trading, guys, your decisions are not going to be objective or rational. But if you do trust your trading plan, we do not make emotional decisions because the outcome of the trade, it doesn't matter for us. Emotions lead to impulsive decisions and clouds rational judgment, right? Common emotions in trading and gambling are excitement, hope, greed, regret, optimism, frustration, fear, and anger. When we say you avoid making emotional decisions, this is what we mean. These are the emotions that we talk about. If you make emotional decisions, you don't have a trading plan. If you don't have a trading plan, it means your plan isn't good enough. If your plan isn't good enough, you shouldn't be live trading. Okay? So you shouldn't be live trading if you don't have a plan that you trust, by the way, okay? Guys, you are worried maybe, oh, I'm gonna miss out on a setup, I'm gonna miss out on time, I'm gonna miss out on money. The way I see it, guys, when I take time off, it's dangerous for the market. Because the strategy has my full attention. If I take a week without trading just to focus on my backtesting or on my strategy, I am fully focused. That is dangerous for the market because on weeks where I try to backtest and practice at the same time as live trading, it's too difficult. And I make wrong decisions with my backtesting and I think it's the wrong thing that's working. So if you take time off, don't see it as a bad thing. It's actually dangerous for the market because you are going to take time to be better. That's how I see it. And every time, like it gives me, I learn something. I improve in a real way in that time off. Every time, if you give your full attention to improving rather than maybe I'll improve in the live market. Let's see how it goes. I've heard this story so many times. So I hope that's a different perspective that can help you. If you take time off and practice on your strategy and it has your undivided attention, that is good for your live trading. So if you take time off, it's good for your live trading. You, and you this time off that you take to practice, like don't worry, maybe you're saving money. Like time off is actually a good thing. you're not missing out. You also saved some sanity by not taking some trades. So don't feel bad if you take some time off. It's actually a good thing for your trading and for your quality of life. Guys, I hope this is helpful. I understand that this information, and sometimes it's hard for me to explain it in ways that you could understand, but I hope you know that I am trying to explain very complicated methods and ideas to you in simple ways and in a fast way. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did enjoy, drop a like, and good luck with your trading journey. Have a great day.